domain. Hello guys and welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you how to create a free domain on a free hosting server. And for anybody who is here, this one is WordPress specific. So if you are not interested in WordPress, you can move over, or if you are interested, just stay. We are going to show you everything here, okay? We are just going to show you how to create the domain, how to install WordPress, and then we are going to stop at that place because it is not also good to learn everything at a go. You're going to forget. Okay, so I'm glad to have you here, and let's get started with this. So to create a domain name, you will need a hosting server, okay? And the hosting server we are going to use for this one is the Infinity Free hosting server. The Infinity Free hosting server gives you up to a maximum of three free accounts. You can create three free domain accounts for your websites. Okay, so let's get started with it. Just head over to your search bar, whether you're using Microsoft or the Chrome, the Fireworks, anything that can work, and then search Infinity Free. Okay, this one, the infinityfree.com. Once you are there, once it takes you to this page, if you have an account, you can log in. If you don't have an account, you can register with your Google account or email account. It depends with you. Okay, for me, I already have an account, so I'll just click the login button and I'll be redirected to the page, the home page of my domain account. If once we are here, you can see some of my accounts, the accounts I've created, some I've posted, just to show you with how to create this. Okay, so once you are here, just click on the create account button and close the add the pop-up window. Once you click on the create account, come over to the free package here, then click on create now. Okay, if you have money or you have a budget of creating an account on this website, a paid account, then you can head over to the paid packages and select any that interests you. But for now, we're going to use a free package for beginners and anybody who still doesn't have a budget for their domain or practical domains. Okay, okay, so let's wait for this to the authentication. Once verified that you're a human being, you can use any domain. Okay, let's hide this. Let's hide this. Ah, good. So I'll just use any domain name that comes into my mind. But for you, you have your domain name, okay? So you just type that domain name there, the name without space. Don't include space in that domain name. So I'll just use Byron, okay, Byron, and then that's okay with me. That's okay with me. I don't know, maybe yours. Just type yours there as you follow me, and then once you type down the domain name you are going to use, come over to the domain extension and select the extension you want to use. Okay, so for me, I'll use accuracy byron at wazi.com. These are free domain extensions. If you want a paid domain extension with the .com only, or the .uk, .ke, anything that interests you, then you must pay for that. Okay, but because these ones are free, that's why they are so long. So I'll just select any. I'll use .wazi.com. Okay, then click the check availability. If it's available, the way it's available, once it's available, you can head over to the creation page. Okay, it really redirects you to this page, sorry. And once you are here, the account username will be generated automatically. The password has been created for you. You can change the password if you like. For me, I'll do this just a minute. Okay, okay, I'm doing something there. And once that's done, you can just come over here. If you want the promotions, the server's promotions to be sent to your mail, you can approve. If you don't want, like me, then you cannot. Then just select I do not approve. Okay, yeah, so I'll just come here and select I do not approve, then click on create account. Okay, then let's give it time. Let's give it time for the domain account to be set up. Yeah, so this is where everything is going to be hosted. The font styles on your website, the images on your website, all of them are going to be hosted here. So once the domain name has been set up, it will be redirect you to this page. Once you're on this page, just click, scroll, then click on the control panel. Okay, once you are on the control panel this way, let's wait it to load. Scroll up to the bottom where you'll find the click I approve. Okay, click I approve. Once you click I approve, then the panel will redirect you to the software panel, software pages. So once you are on the software page, scroll down up to the section where you'll see the softwares. Okay, this one, you can see software here. Okay, yeah, once you're on the software, come over to the Softaculous app installer. Click on that one. Once you click on that one, let's wait it to take you to the another section. Once you are here, you can see the website building platforms. You can see the WordPress, Joomla, Abantcat, and PHP BB. So it depends with you what interests you. But for this one, it was WordPress specific. So we are going to use WordPress. So once you are here, just click on install WordPress. Okay. Once you install WordPress, just come over. You can see our domain name here. And if you want to create a site name, just change the site name. It depends on you. Whatever you want to name your site, you just create it that way. I can use my name too, Accuracy Byron. And the site description, I can just leave it in my WordPress blog, okay? And that's okay with me. And the username, I can still use the domain name. Okay, there's a Byron. But for you, you would have to select. If you want to use the domain name, it's okay. If you want to use your second name or third name, or it's optional for you, just use any that interests you. Okay. Yeah, so if you can create a password that you can remember, because this password is the one you are going to use to log in to the WordPress dashboard, where you are going to create the website section. The website, whether it's an agency website, a travel agency website, an e-commerce website, a business website, or a shop website, the password you create here is the one that will take you to the dashboard. And remember, the dashboard is where you are going to create the website from. It's like the back end of the website. Okay. Now, so don't forget that password. Create a password you can remember, and the username you can remember. The username and the password are the ones you're going to use to log in to your backend, the backend, WordPress backend website. Okay. So once that's done, come over here, scroll up to down, then click on install. Okay. Wait for it to install. Wait for WordPress to install. Let's give it time. It might take up to 3 to 4 minutes. You can see here, and don't leave the page before the installation is done. Okay. Once it's done this way, just come over here. You can see, if you see WP admin, this one, it means it's going to take you to the WordPress dashboard, the back end of your website. But here, this one, the first domain, the first link URL is the link that shows us our website. Okay, so to go to our WordPress dashboard, we are going to use the second link. That's where we are going to create our website from. Okay, yeah, so just click on the second link and wait for it to take you to the second section. Let's give it time. Let's give it time. If you want to go back, you can go back. So here we are at the back end of our website. This is the dashboard. This is the back end of our website. If you want to see the website, you can just come here and click on visit site. Okay. Yeah, you can see our website here. Our site name, you can see Accuracy Byron, and our site description, we didn't write any. This is our site description, my WordPress blog, but because we didn't write any, we didn't edit it. So to create just to create a website, you'll have to go to the dashboard. Yeah, you are going to control everything. Yeah, and for now we are going to stop at this place. To keep up with our updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification, make the notification button, make it on, because from here we are now going to start to show you how to create websites, whether it's an agency website, a digital marketing agency website, a tech website, travel websites, an hotel website, a business website. Everything is going to be here. Is the things you are looking for, all of them are going to be available to you at this section. Thank you for watching, and I'm glad to have you here. Let's meet on our next upcoming videos.